In this video, you'll learn about library search and get tips on using it. Library search is a tool that searches many of the library's print and electronic resources at the same time. Library search is a huge time saver because it searches many resources at once. The material you'll find is trustworthy, as opposed to internet material which may or may not be reliable. Also, most of what you'll find can be read or viewed online. Your results will include articles from magazines and scholarly journals, books, ebooks, videos, and more. Two things that library search won't find are background information and statistics. We'll cover finding these materials in separate videos. To use library search, start by going to the library's homepage. You'll see the library search box in the center of the page. You'll automatically start in basic search, which is the default search mode. It uses keywords and includes all types of material in your results. Click the icons to limit your search to articles, books and ebooks, videos, or course reserves. Use the drop-down menu to expand your search to libraries worldwide. Library search also has an advanced search mode. Click the advanced search link in the library search box to switch to advanced search. Advanced search is more powerful than basic search. It lets you search for more than one thing at a time, which makes your searches more precise. As an example, let's say you want to find all of our library's versions of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Advanced search lets you specify Tom Sawyer as the title and Mark Twain as the author. Your search results will show items matching your search terms, as well as a list of search tools at the left-hand side of the screen. If you want to see only items from Elmira College's collection, go to Library and click the Elmira College checkbox. Use the options in the Format section to limit your results to books, articles, videos, and more. If an article has a View Full Text button, click it to see full text of the item. If you don't see one of these buttons, our library may not have access to the article. Ebooks in the library's collection will have a View eBook link. Click on the link to open a new tab where you can read or download the ebook. Print books have the item's call number and location. Streaming videos have a View Now link. DVDs have the item's call number and location. Click on an item's title for more information about it. For print books and DVDs, you can use Browse the Shelf to look at items with similar call numbers. Scroll down the page to see information about how many copies Elmira College has and where they're located. If you're not finding what you need, here are some tips to make your searches more productive. First, try limiting your results. Go to Search Tools at the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll see a list of options for narrowing your results. By default, the limiters are expanded. Use the arrow button next to each limiter to collapse it. Use Library to limit your search to Elmira College's collections. Content lets you see full-text materials, peer-reviewed articles, and open-access texts. Format filters your search results by the material type or types you specify. Databases let you search all Elmira College databases or only within the WorldCat database. Authors shows all authors listed in your search results. Year allows you to search predefined date ranges or to enter your own. Language lets you limit your results to a specific language or to choose several languages. Last of all, Topic lets you choose specific topic areas and subject headings associated with items in your search results. Next, if you got fewer results than you expected, try using only one or two keywords instead. In this example, a search for the phrase nutrition's effect on Alzheimer's patients resulted in 874 items, but a search that used only nutrition and Alzheimer's, two keywords from the original search, turned up over 3,300 items. This is because library search searches for each word individually, not for the concept expressed by the words. Finally, you can watch a video on constructing a search strategy. In this example, we searched YouTube for research strategies. Any of the highlighted terms in the results, research strategies for students, and effective research strategies should give you plenty of videos to choose from. If you still need help, just ask a library staff member.